Hey everyone, okay, so let's talk about something that has genuinely shocked me. And no, I don't mean Kris Jenner's new face. No, I mean something in a good way. So this is Merit, and it's their Great Skin Double Cleanse Face Wash. Now, I thought that double cleansing meant 2 products, 2 steps, and 10 minutes of my life gone forever. This is 1 bottle, and it lathers so well, I half expected to start singing show tunes. Takes off makeup faster than a superhero on a bad day, and it will leave your skin so soft that I kept touching it like I just discovered the Holy Grail. Creepy, but true. And here's the funny bit. Normally after a cleanser, my face feels tighter than my jeans after Christmas. But this, no, it leaves your skin hydrated, glowy, and dare I say, a little smug. Honestly, if you hate to faff but want skin that looks like you've just had a facial, this is it. Merit have nailed it. So yes, 10 out of 10 from me. Brilliant, brilliant product. Now, if only it could do my taxes, but we can't have everything.